Okay, so this is Windows Phone 7, and it makes it easy to connect and share with the things and the people that matter most to you. I'm going to take you on a quick tour through the features in Windows Phone 7 and some of the new features that are really exciting for consumers in our new release coming out this autumn, which is codenamed Mango. So this is the Windows Phone 7 start screen, and again, it's built on the concept of live updating information through live tiles, which I can see here scrolling through the start screen. My email, my calendar, some applications I've opened that tell me the weather today is 16 degrees and mostly cloudy, updating in real time, recent photographs I've taken, music, etc. One of the key areas we decided to innovate on with Windows Phone and the new release called Mango is on communications. So I'm going to take you into the People Hub and show you some examples of that. So in here I have all the people that I care about, that I want to connect and share with. And what I can do is pan quickly over and see what's new. So with Windows Phone, we've integrated all the information from their favorite services like Facebook and Live and Outlook. And with Mango, we've added support for Twitter and also LinkedIn. So I can quickly get a status of what's happening from all my friends and family in one place. When I pan to the right, I can see who I've recently communicated with. Let's take an example. We'll go look at Galen. So here I can see all the ways I want to communicate with Galen, what's new, and in Mango what we've added is support for viewing people's pictures and albums. So here I get a quick glance of all the photos that she's posted, and I can go in and browse them. What's more, we've also added all the different ways that we've communicated in the past. So I have a conversation history that I can quickly see and check when we've last talked or texted or emailed and bring that up. So one other way that we communicate is through groups, and I want to show you another feature here in Mango. It's called Groups. Groups allow you to mirror the real relationships you have in your life. So I've created 4 groups here, one for my family, some for my friends back in Miami and Seattle, and a group called Thursday Night Pint. So let's check out one of my groups. These are my Miami friends. So this is one way that I can communicate and share across a range of people. I can see what's new with that group. Again, I can see pictures they have downloaded. I can also go back to the group and we can start a group conversation. Windows Phone will recommend to me the different ways that I communicate with that group and have a conversation. So let's talk about the ways that we communicate. There's so many different ways that phones now handle communications, proliferation of text, email, and chat. Well, our idea around communications is that should all be integrated into one place. That no matter what screen you're on or what service you're using, you should be able to carry a consistent conversation. That's with a feature called Threads. So here I'm showing you a thread that I have with a friend of mine called Nick, where we actually started with a text message, and then we switched to Messenger, where we're both on our PC, and then we continued the conversation on Facebook using Facebook Chat. What you'll notice here is that no matter what screen we're on or what service you're using, we're able to continue and carry on the conversation. That's called Threads, and that's a whole new way to communicate with your friends and family and people that matter most to you. Well, another area we decided to focus on was also applications. And we said we need to take apps to the next level and have them integrate throughout the phone. And we also need to have a great solution for multitasking. So let me first show you a little bit about multitasking. So I'm just going to load up a game called Fruit Ninja. This is one of my favorites. We've just released tools for developers, and so lots of new games and applications are being built for the new release of Mango, which will come see in the fall. So let's start up the game, Fruit Ninja. Oh, I just did a terrible job there. We'll whack some fruit. Now I can multitask by just hitting the back button, and I can quickly see the different experiences that I've had on the phone. I can drop right back into my Threads conversation, or go back to the game, or back into my my Xbox Live Hub. So that's smart multitasking on the phone. The final area I want to show you is around the internet and search. So one thing we've done is we've brought IE9 directly to the phone. It's really the same version that is running on the PC today with built-in hardware acceleration. So it gives you fast and rich video and multimedia viewing. So here's an example of a page written in HTML5 using IE9 to view it. You can see here kind of standard pinch and zoom. But what's great is I can directly run video and launch it straight from the browser using standards-based support and also using built-in graphic acceleration and integration into that hardware, which gives it some of the fastest viewing among smartphones. Now another area we chose to innovate was around search and bringing search to be more relevant for the user. So on the phone, you see a dedicated hardware key for search. And search is about understanding your environment by listening to what's happening in terms of audio inputs, using vision to do search on your environment, and also using voice command. Let me show you a great new feature here called Local Scout. So Local Scout lets me be like a native. When I show up in a new area, like here in Sloane Square, it'll recommend places for me that are fixed on my location. Places to eat and drink, things to see and do, things to go out, places to go shop. It'll also give me some highlights, and you'll see it's presenting this in real time on the map. Now there's a restaurant that I love called La Trompette. And so what Bing is now doing is it's collecting all the information on the web and creating a quick card for me around this restaurant. It tells me where it is, gives me directions, a phone number to make a reservation, even lets me see the reviews that recently have been collected from all different sources across the web. So this allows me to kind of Bing it and book it within seconds, instead of getting a list of blue links and web results that are less efficient. So those are some of the key features that we'll be releasing this fall in Mango. They revolve around three key areas: around great communications, around next level of applications and integration, and lastly around innovation around web and search.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.